We spoke about the Marcel irons before that are flat, and here's an example of a flat big iron, Marcel iron, and this is used to straighten out hair, long hair, and make it really straight. I showed you smaller ones before, and by the way, you should test all your Marcel irons on the towel like you did that hot comb. Okay, just pressing it down on the towel like that, making sure that the towel doesn't turn brown. If you wanted to put a little water again, you can do that. Make sure it's not hot. You see little beads coming off like that, it should be okay. Alright, you want to take a piece of hair, divide it, take a nice thin section for this style right here. Nice thin section, okay, because you want to get close and you want to get real straight. Putting the iron on close by and bringing it down like that. Bring it down like that, straight down. Just straight down. You can put a little bump in the ends, but as you see, these are here real straight and shiny. Use a little product in your hair again. I did put some product in Farrelly's hair before. We do want something that's going to be a little bit conditioning on the hair when we do Marcel irons.